Hi, this is the Forex course for beginners, lesson 1. Um, we will talk today about technical analysis, trend support, and resistance plus channels. But first, I would like to explain a few things if you want to trade. I feel that one of the most important things is choosing the right broker. And to choose the broker, you need to compare spreads on currency pairs, which is basically provision to the broker. And also one of the most important things for me personally is swap rates. Swap rate is interest rate differential between the currency pair that is traded. It can be positive or negative, and it is connected to the cash rate that central banks determine in order to accomplish their economic goals, which are price stability, aka inflation, employment levels, and currency exchange rate stability. After choosing a broker, you want also when choosing a broker, you want someone with credibility, someone that has been in the business for a long time. Uh, Also, I would like to mention that there are Islamic accounts in existence which do not calculate the swap fees, but we will not focus on that because I think the swap fee is a really good thing, and it's a really good thing to implement in your trading strategy. Uh, Also, swap rate is called the rollover or the rollover fee, swap fee. Um, okay, now just let's go to the trader. I will open the trader, and when you download it, you can download the demo MetaTrader from the MetaTrader official webpage. Download it, install it, and just open a demo account, set up your username and password, and you should get something like this. Okay, we are doing the GBP USD, so you can do this chart window. It will open this chart window, but I already have it opened, so I will use this one. This is the one you will probably have when you open it, when you start the MetaTrader platform. Okay. Uh, this is called the line chart, and we will focus only on the line chart today. Because we are talking just about resistance, support, trend, and channel. Nothing else today. So when you open one currency pair, GBP USD, to be exact, you have a sell and a buy order. You can place a sell and a buy order. Basically, what it means is that if you enter a buy position, you are betting that the GBP will rise against the US dollar, and if you enter a sell position, then the USD will basically have to rise against the pound. Uh, okay, so what we're gonna do today, we're gonna use this chart. Let me just expand it. We don't need the market watch either. Just close it, so we have a better screen. And we will focus firstly on the monthly chart. We will go to the monthly chart. I suggest starting with the monthly when you do your analysis, because the higher the time frame, the more important the chart, the more important the lines are. So I'm gonna just do this. So we have the GBP USD monthly graph here. Let me do a bit of expansion here. Okay, so this is the chart from 1993 to January 2000. Okay, to now. Sorry. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna draw some lines on it. So let's see about the trend. Okay, so here we can trend. It's going obviously down, and we're gonna put the line here and here on these two tops. Okay, So all the way from here down to here, we have a trend going down. Also, let's put some lines that are important. So this line, I'm putting it here. We'll make a channel with this line, but okay, I'm putting this line here because obviously you see the price was going down and it rebounded from here, went down again, rebounded again. So this is a support place and this is a support line. Okay, so now we're gonna do one more and we will put it here. You see how in the past it was an important point also here, but here now we have a resistance. So the price bounced off of support, went to the resistance, bounced off, went to the support, bounced off, went to the resistance yet again. Okay, so this is basically a channel. So from here the price is going down, and here we have a downtrend, and here this is called a side trend. And the side trend is visible when the price is going up and down within a channel. Okay, these are the pivotal points for our analysis based on the monthly time frame. Okay, so we'll go to the weekly time frame now. Maybe draw some more lines to see what is actually happening on the smaller time frame. But once again, I will say that the higher the time frame, the more importance to these lines. The more important these lines are. Okay, so now we can draw. Oh, sorry. Now we can draw another trend line. From here, we see that there is an uptrend. You see the uptrend? It's going up, up, and it's been broken here, and it went exactly here. So, uh, uh, intersections of these lines are very important places because price tends to go to these intersections. Now let's draw a bit more. So let's draw something like this. Okay. Okay. So after a strong uptrend, we have a downtrend now, but the price is currently fighting with it. It could go up, it could go down, but we'll focus on the monthly channel. So these are the monthly support line and the monthly resistance line. Okay, so we have a trend line here that was going all the way up to the monthly resistance, and the price bounced off. Logically, the price wants to go somewhere, probably to the intersection, but we don't have at the moment we don't have anything clear. This is not a clear trading position, so we wouldn't trade in this position. We wouldn't trade now. A good trading would be around here or around here. Those would be good entry points. Uh, okay. So if the price breaks the channel, it will usually go up the width for the width of the channel. So if it breaks here, it will go probably all the way up to here, and the same thing goes if it breaks it on the lower side, on the downside. Okay, So we don't have any clear signs of where the price is going on this time frame either. But on the monthly, we see clearly we see some good entry positions. First entry position would be here, like this. But you can do order. Let's say sell limit, and we will put it closer to the top. Sorry. So okay, we have a position. We have a position opened, and what will we do? We will we will sorry sorry, it can't really. I have to catch it. No, I didn't catch it. So for this trade, for this trade, okay, we'll set up the stop loss and take profit levels. Stop loss should be a few pips just above the line. So we're gonna put stop loss somewhere around here, just above this stop. So let's say 430, 143. Stop loss 143. And take profit, we're gonna take profit all the way down. 122.80. Okay, that will be 122. Okay, so we made a pending order now, and it's based on the monthly support and resistance lines. Uh, if we enter into this position, if price really goes up there, we have just a minimum of loss. So this is our loss, but we have a lot of gain. So win to lose ratio is like 20 to 1. So that's a good statistical bet. And the key is statistics. So we can go on the daily, check what's going on there. Okay, on the daily we can also draw a trend line. Maybe it would be even better. You can see it like this. Let's say let's put it like this. Okay, and now I will do one more, but you have this. Okay, you just take this and let's do one more. Should be parallel with that one. So this is basically the daily channel where the price is going. Okay, I really don't really need it for now. It's just to show you that there is a downtrend and the channel is going down. But on the weekly, we are still going up, and this would be just a minor correction. On the monthly, we see it perfectly. This is a superb resistance level. So it's highly likely that the price will reach this level and bounce off of it. Okay, so this is basically it for the first lesson because we don't have much to talk about. without learning more stuff. Uh, I just wanted to do the channels today, the trend line, and the resistance support. Now we're gonna open some other graph. Let's say, okay, let's go to the USD Swiss franc, put in a line graph. I will remove the moving average. We will cover everything else in further lessons. This is just support, resistance, trend line, and the channel. So we put it on the monthly first. Oh, it needs to load. Sorry for that. Okay. It's loading really slow. Okay, let's do it on the weekly. Let's do it on the weekly because we see something here. We see a small trend here forming. So the price is obviously going up here. But after a strong downward move. So you see what's happening here. This is called the triangle pattern. When this pattern happens, it usually means that the price will go in the same direction as it entered. So usually this will happen and the price will break out to the downside. But it's like 75% chance. It's not 100% because we can't really be sure because we aren't using everything that we can use. But okay, it's good to know that patterns exist and we will talk more about patterns in the next lessons. Now I just wanted to cover the real basics. Next lesson we're gonna talk about candlesticks, the candlestick chart, and the Elliott wave theory. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for listening, and hope you come back for more.